Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to view Bereal post without creating it. So guys, this is very simple process. First we tap on Chrome browser. Search Bereal account and scroll down. Tap on login and tap on plus icon. Add file and I am choose this, and you can add any caption and tap on save, and you have to view easily. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.